Okay, hi guys. Hi everybody this week. Today we're landing at my airport I made, Sable Island International. And today I'm not doing live weather because this is supposed to be a tropical island I used from Canada to make it and yeah, that's why we're not doing live weather, because I had to change the temperature so it would feel like a tropical island. Yeah. And to everybody, Merry Christmas this week. Yep, I hope you're gonna have an awesome time with your families and that you're gonna have a lot of laughter. Yeah. And this airport is pretty nice, this one I built, yeah. It's Sable Island, Municipal or International, and it has a small runway for small planes and a bigger runway for bigger planes like A330. I landed it here one time. It was super fun, and yeah. Okay, so we're coming in on approach, and because if I put the live weather on, because this island is like kind of located weirdly here, the actual wind would be above Cessna 152's maximum level, that's why. And I really wanted to represent you, the airport, that's why. And also I wanted to make it a bit more tropical island. Yeah. Okay, so we're getting closer and closer to the ground. Okay, getting low. Let's flare a bit. Oh wow! What a nice landing, yep. We landed on a tiny downslope. But still, what an awesome landing, yep. I'm happy I could represent you guys, the airport, today. Yeah, it's a really an awesome airport. Okay, here comes the weird bump thingy that we have to go over. Good, we went through it. Okay, now we're gonna taxi. As you can see, there's palm trees because, as I said, it's a tropical island airport. And I wanted to, that's why I made the weather not live, because I wanted to make it like a tropical island, and yeah. It's pretty beautiful, yeah. The sunrise here at Sable Island, it's like imaginary, but it's supposed to be tropical, and the airport isn't actually here, I made it. And in the comments you can show me what you think about it, because I really like it and I worked super hard on it. Yeah, okay. Let's turn. Today we don't have the blue pass, but still I know a good place to park in, luckily. Okay, so there's our plane. We can see the shade from outside the window. And yeah, we are taxiing to the parking. Oh, that's my brother's cat. The meow you heard. Whoa, 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 whoa. Wind, you're not doing the same thing that you did yesterday. 'Cause nobody wants the wind right now. Yeah. Oh, hi, cat. Hi. I can't see you, but I know you're here. Okay, so I think we can park here, next to the beautiful sea. Yeah. Okay, and look at the beautiful palm trees above us. Yeah, okay, and stop. Good. Parking brakes on, engine off. Now, flaps up. Okay, and let's come out. Okay. Okay, so let's... Okay, left aileron is good. Left flap is good. Landing gear is good. Rudder is good. Right flap is good. Right aileron is good. Okay, it's in the place where it was about, so yep. Okay, now let's turn around. Let's come here. Oil cover is good. And nose gear tire is nice and good. Yep. Okay, now let's press the D button to move here. Okay, now Alt V. Let's come back and take the photo. Wait. Let's try again. Ah. Come on, like why? Why did that stupid tab have to open? Oh, never mind. Good. Good, nice. Yep, photo was taken. Now let's put Alt V back on. Let's get back in. Let's put the camera back as it was. Good. Okay, now let's put the engine back as it was. Okay, guys, and I'm gonna see you in the marketplace. Yep. Okay, guys, so here it is. Here we are in the marketplace. And as you can see, there's a lot of cool stuff in here. We have the 737 MAX from Bedrock, Boeing 777-300ER, this as usual, B390 from Canadeo, NAMCYS11. And yeah, these are some cool stuff we have here. There's also a sale for like stuff, and let's see how much stuff got in discount. Twitchlet Airport got discount. Cool. Yeah, it's that airport in Maine, that cool airport, and Bar Harbor. Oh, this also got discount. Oh, no. Oh, sorry. Got confused. It didn't. But these Ottawa, Montreal, and Quebec international airports did get a discount. Oh, look at the snow. Oh, hi, kitty. Wonder where you are, buddy. Can't see you. Yeah. Okay, so we're at 8:19. We still have some time. Okay. Minneapolis got some discounts. Yeah. St. Paul Airport. Okay. Okay. Now let's see. St. John. Huh. Interesting. And we have some airports here. Yeah, we still have some time for exploring. And yeah, we have an airports here. The islands. Bermuda has an airport. Cool. And yeah. Okay, we're gonna do another check right now on some cool stuff, if there is any. There's B737 MAX 8 third deliveries. Okay. We have these which were already here. Then we have, oh, how cool. And yeah. Okay, so those are the stuff, and now I think we're gonna like come back and escape. Yep. And I wanted to say thank you guys for watching, and I hope you're gonna have a very Merry Christmas. And thank you guys. Bye everybody. Have a Merry